Okay, and today I'm responding to Dhruv Rathee, the vicious lies about SPH, Supreme Party of Hinduism, Nityananda Parameswaram, and Kairasa. I like to say it is complete lies, manipulation, and genocide. It is clearly Dhruv Rathee's war against Hinduism. How much of dangerous lies, manipulative editing, deliberate hate speech propagated by Dhruv Rathee in his latest attack on Kailasa, Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, and the global Hindu diaspora. By spreading such misinformation, distorting sacred Hindu teachings, and mocking the legitimate spiritual leadership, Dhruv is not merely critiquing, he is actively citing hatred and paving the way for genocide against Hindus. His actions are not without consequences. History has shown that such targeted defamation of religious communities leads to real world violence and persecution. Rate, your vicious attacks against the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism reveals your systematic campaign of religious persecution against Hindu leadership specifically and the entire Hindu diaspora. And all of the allegations that you have done so far is completely false. Example, Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism is not a fugitive who fled India. He is a persecuted religious leader who has been systematically targeted through lawfare. Dhruv Rathee, a prominent Indian YouTuber in Germany, you are faced with accusations of spreading misinformation and having ties with controversial figures like Harsh Mandar and AAP parties. Critics claim your videos are completely anti-India, anti-Hindu narratives, potentially influenced by the foreign entities like George Soros through Mondays Association. All of your videos suggest critics of negatively portraying Hinduism and Hindus, comparing Hindus to terrorists and mocking Hindu epics, alleging of foreign funding, particularly through Mandar's ties to George Soros Open Society Foundation, claiming anti-Hindu propaganda.